Hey guys, I'm making this video to show you how to take a good picture of any written work that you write down on paper. A lot of you have done this before, maybe if not for me, for other classes. And a lot of you tend to choose the camera option, and let me show you what that would look like. So I have here an example of some work, and if I choose my camera, I get a lot of pictures that look like this. As you can see here, this is a very bad picture because there's no good focus point. It's hard to read. Okay, it's always better to take a picture from right above the paper to get all your work like straight in front of the camera. So this is a much better picture. But I also want to show you an even better option, and that is to scan your work using your phone. And you can do that in many different ways. The first way I'll show you is using the Google Drive app. So if you open the Google Drive app, you can press the plus button on the bottom right, and you'll have the option of scan. This is usually not available for iPhone. Usually it's only for Android phones, but if you find it, please use it. If you click scan, I can take a good picture of my work, but I want you to notice the area around it. You can see my desk, you can see my pen, but once I take the picture and I click the check mark, it'll scan it. And as you can see here, it looks like a scanned piece of paper with just the work and nothing surrounding it. This is the best way to upload your work, and you can just press the check button, you can call it whatever you want, and you can submit it on Google Classroom or email it to me. Okay? If you have an iPhone and the scan option doesn't show up, you can always find different apps. So if you go on the App Store or the Play Store and you just Google Cam Scanner, you'll find what you need.